Okay, now coming to how to prepare for behavioral interview. Recall recent situations that shows favorable behavior or actions, especially involving coursework, work experience, leadership, teamwork, initiative, planning, and customer service. These are the points. Like, for example, I am leading a organization or I'm managing a team. If there is any such point where I am able to show these kind of skill, I should use this experience for my later interview questions. So we should be very prepared about that description. If I am able to discuss it with anyone, I should prepare it in a way that I highlight these points. Okay. Now, every story should have a beginning, middle, and end. It's very important to describe the situation or the problem that was faced, what were your action, and then the result of it. So how the result has been positive. So many a times what happens is that you are not able to achieve the end goal of the particular problem, but still you were able to keep everyone happy in the organization, especially your team, or your employer has been impressed by you as to how you planned on to achieve it. The result may not happen, may not be in our way, but the course of action was appreciable, and that showed that you put on actual efforts. So next, we should always be honest. We should never over exaggerate our story, because come on, the recruiters they have been doing this for a long time. They are employees themselves, and then they have been taking interviews and going on for recruitment processes. So they know when you lie and they know when you exaggerate. They know how an organization works. So we should be very honest with it. And then we should be very specific. We should not over exaggerate. We should give them a detailed accounting of every event and vary your examples. Not the same example can be used for every type of behavioral answer, right? So